Okay. So, all right. Ndewo no. Um, Anyị ga-ebido means we're going to start. Anyị agaghị eche onye ọbụla. I'm going to go ahead and share the screen. N'izu gara aga. Na izu gara aga means last week. Izu gara aga means last week. Izu means week. Izu gara aga. Okay, we did something called conjugation. Okay, conjugating pronouns. And very few of you, especially Oluchi did a good job. She kept on practicing and sending me. In fact, she did her own. But I wanted everybody to handwritten it. It has to be written. I don't want you to type it. Use your hand to write it and practice it, practice punctuating it. Meaning, itinyen topo. Itinyen topo means putting a period where it's supposed to be. Observing the vowels, two groups of vowels. So only Oluchi and very few others try to practice. And the rest of you, about 30 of you did nothing. About 30 of you did nothing. And it's not funny. If you really want me to help you, you really want to learn this language, you have to do your homework. You can't just learn this language if you're not doing what you're supposed to do. You have to do your part. Okay? So we finished doing something and I gave you this homework to do. And it was due on Thursday. And very few of you did it. Very, very few. Not more than 10 people. Very few. Where are the rest of you? We have up to 50 people in this section, in this class. Very few of you did it. What happened? I don't know. So if you don't practice this to know if you're doing very well, I can do it for you. Okay? So some of you did. Some of you did not. Many of you did not. Just very few did it. I was supposed to give you guys a quiz today, but because you didn't do your homework, I could not do that. So you have to do your homework for me to know where you are. Because if I give you a quiz, you're not going to get it. So I still want you to do your work. I'm not going to do this. I'm going to touch base on the pronouns. And if you have questions, you can ask me a question. And what we're going to do today, when I go over the pronouns, we're still going to do quiz on pronouns. I'm going to touch base on these pronouns here. And after that, we do quiz. We have to do quiz on them, but not on these ones here. I still want you guys to do your work. You have to do this homework and then send it to me. So the pronouns, remember when I said the M represent mine, my, okay? You see it here? This pronoun, the M here, is representing, let me push it up. See pronouns. The M here is my mom, my book, my friend, okay? Enyim. So the M at the end is what we're talking about. So this M, my book, my school, my clothes, okay? So that's what we are talking about here. You keep saying my this, my that, my bag, my shoe. So it's means my bag. My bag. Okay? When you say my leg, my hand, the M at the end is possessive, something that belongs to you. My house, my house, you say mine, it is mine. You see that? It is mine. Onkem. Now, M-U. Mo means me. When I say me and Oluchi, But in English, the grammatical way to say it, Oluchi and I. Oluchi and I. Uchenna and I. Princess and I. But in Igbo, it's the other way. I will come first before Uchenna. Okay? Mu na Uchenna. Mu na Oluchi. Mu na Princess. See that? So, mu in Igbo is wishes. Okay? But in English, you have to say the second person first before me, the first person. But in Igbo, the first person before the second person. That's how it goes. Let me give another example. Obinna and I. Ikenna and I. But in Igbo, it will be I and Ikenna. I and Precious. Okay? Mu na Obinna. Mu na ge. Say me and you. Mu na ge. You means ge. Okay? Mu na ge means me and you. That's how you say it in Igbo. Okay? Mu, if you want to say me and all of you. Mu na ono nile. Mu na ono. You can say ono. You don't have to say ono nile. You can also say ono nile. Mu na ono. Then if you want to say me and you, mu na ge. Okay. Now if you want to say me and them, mu na ha. Mu na ha. So you come first before them. You come first before he or she. You come first before the group. So in Igbo, that's how you say it. All right? You want to say my book, my this, my that, something that belongs to you is the M at the end. My house. Ulom. My book. Akwukwom book means akwukwo. Akwukwom. My hand. Okay? Hand comes before mine. In Igbo. Akam. Olam. Afem. Ikom. Ikom means cup. My cup. My dad. Papam. You see that? Papa comes before, which is possessive, it's yours. Okay, now we're gonna go to ge. Ge is you, your or yours. It is yours. It belongs to you. It is yours. Or nkege. Nkege, it means you. Ge can be you, your, yours. Nkege, it is yours, okay? Okay, now, when I say, did you come? It is also you. And it's direct. When I'm talking to you, then I say, biara. Means you came. Chisum, biara. Means you, Chisum, you came. When I look at it, Oluchi, biara. Now pay attention. It can be a question. It can be just a comment. When I say Oluchi biara, I just said Oluchi came. When I want to put it as a question, the only thing that will make it look like a question is a question mark. When I ask Oluchi, did you come? Anita, did you come? Chibusama, did you come? Is a question with a question mark. Did you come? The intonation will change there. But then the same sentence can, when you remove the question mark, now I say, Oluchi, biara, you came. Biara, did you come? Biara. Now pay attention. Biara is not a question. It's purely you came. You. That is you. Biara. You came. Now pay attention to the question. Ebiara. Ebiara. Did you come? Ebiara. You came. Ebiara. Did you come? Ebiara. You came. This is the same sentence. Nothing changed. The only thing that we changed there is the question mark. Now, I need somebody to tell me. I'm going to tell you two of them. I will say one first. You tell me what I said. Ebiara. Who will tell me what I said? Raise your hand. Ebiara. Which one is it? Maraya. Chikaima. Ebiara. Gonna call. Let me give you a chance to mute yourself. Chikaima, I need to see your hand up again. Okay, and okay, go ahead and unmute yourself, Chikaima. Ebiara, gonna call.
You came.
You came. Now, the other one for the question, how do you say it, Chikaima? The one for the question, how do you say it in Igbo? Unmute yourself, Chikaima.
Can you please repeat yourself again, please?
No. I said the other one is you came. The other one is did you come? Say it in Igbo. How do you say? Okay, Chikaima, which one? How do you say you came in Igbo? Keke shekuya in Igbo.
Ebiara.
Ebiara. There you go. How do you say did you come in Igbo? Keke shekuya.
Oh my goodness.
It's all right. Go ahead and try. You can I know you know it. You can do it. Come on, Chikaima, just try. Balea. Balea means try. Ngwa, let me have somebody help you. Oluchi. Ngwa. How do you say the one with a question? Did you come?
Did you come?
Huh? Just try. Oluchi, how do you say the one? You came. How do you say you came?
You came is Ebiara.
Ebiara. Now, how do you say the other one? Did you come?
Ebiara.
Ebiara. Yes, Ebiara. That's the question. The other one is Ebiara. You just say he came, he or she came. You came. Ebiara is a question. That's good. If you don't try, you will know. Go ahead. You have a question? In what ajụjụ? Oluchi, in what ajụjụ? Gịnị wa ajụjụ gị?
So my question is, like, how do you say did in Igbo? Or is it just the tonation that will
It's the tonation
that's the question? Okay.
Did you come? Ebiara. It is the same you.
Okay.
And so it's just the tonation. Yes, that's it.
Okay.
It's the same sentence in Igbo. Even though in English, it's different. The only thing, the difference in Igbo is the tonation of it. That's it.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, the tone mark. You may, how do you say thank you?
Oh, dalo.
Imelandeo. Okay. All right. So let's keep going. I want us to finish this and then we do the quiz. All right. Now, you know E is you. Now, ya, indirect. G is direct. G is direct. Ya is indirect. Let me, now you're supposed to know G is direct. Let me see, G, direct. G is direct. On to the next line. All right. So G is direct. Now, ya is indirect. If Chisom asks me a question, Chisom will say, who did this? Then I'll be pointing at Kaima and say, I will say Kaima did it. Instead of saying Kaima did it, I'll say, yeah, I am pointing. That's the third person, okay? Remember, Chisom asking, who did this? Then I'm going to point indirectly. I'm not talking to Kaima, but I was telling Chisom that Kaima did it by saying, ya mere ya. She did it. Ya mere ya means she did it. Remember, it's indirect. I'm not talking to the person I said that she did it, but I pointed. Ya mere ya. She did it. Mere ya. Now pay attention. I have two ya. Ya means she. Okay. Ya is the third person. Ya mere ya. She, don't forget, ya can be he, she, it. And when you're talking about a third person, it's not about he, she did it. Okay. She, but this ya is representing she or the name of the person, a noun. She did it. Ya mere ya. You can say, oh ya mere ya. She did it. Don't forget it is also she, he, also oh. Okay. But now when you're making a sentence, when you're conjugating it, that ya is indirect when you're pointing at something. You can say ya mere ya without pointing. You have to point at something to use that word. Ya mere ya. If you want to say I did it, or mo mere ya, or you can say mo mere ya. Okay. You want to say she did it. Oh yeah. You can say yeah, mere. You don't even have to say oh yeah, mere ya. You can say yeah. You can even stop. Who did this? Yeah, mere ya. You see, yeah. You can just say yeah. You're pointing at that person. Okay. Who ate my food? Instead of you saying Emeka ate my food, you say, oh yeah. You can say he ate your food. Oh yeah. Ya riri nrigi. You can say ya riri nrigi. He ate your food. Ya riri nrigi. Your food. Nrigi. You see that? You see how you came in now? Ya riri nrigi. O riri nrigi. He ate your food. You see that? So don't forget all this is. This is a matter of knowing this. The key points here are the pronouns. You know them, you can conjugate and put them together. That's why I want you to pay attention. Okay. Now, coming to all of you know that all represent he, she, it. Oh, whose cat is this? I can say, whose is it? You say, oh, nke Nnamdi. It is Nnamdi's. Eh? Oh, nke Amarachi. It is Amarachi's cat. See that? You say, who is your friend there? She, who is that person there? Say, she is my friend. He is my friend. Say, oh, enyim. You don't even need to say he, she. Don't even need to say the person's name. But that or the pronoun is representing the person you're talking about. Oh, Ikena, who is beside you? Oh, enyim, or you can say Obu enyim. He is my friend. Obu enyim. Obu enyim. Or enyim. Both of them are correct. You don't need to say Obu. You can, for you to say Obu, which means this is when you are in the intermediate class or advanced class, I'm expecting you to be using more words by putting more vocabularies. Obu enyim. When you say it like that, I will know that you know at least you're in the intermediate class or advanced class. But you can say now, oh enyim, just simply, oh enyim. If you learn to say abu enyim, good for you. That's why I'm using two of them. You can learn to do that now. You don't have to wait until you get to intermediate or advanced class. Obu enyim. Enyim ka obu. You can switch it around. You can even start with enyim. Enyim ka obu. Obu enyim. See that? All right. So now ha is there, them, there. Okay. So they are coming today. They are coming today. Ha na abia tata. They will come today. Ha ga-abia. They will come today. Ha ga-abia tata. Ha ga-abia tata. See that? It is theirs. Ọ bụ nke ha. Ọ nke ha. Now, you see, I'm putting other pronouns. It is theirs. Ọ bụ nke ha. Okay. Gị na ha ga-abịa. You and them will come. Okay. Whose plate is this? Ọ bụ nke ha. It is theirs. See that? Okay. Now, when I say your parents, kedu ka mama gị na papa gị mere? Instead of you saying mama m na papa m dị mma, you can group it. Ha dị mma. Because I asked about your parents. Kedu ka ụmụnne gị? Ụmụnne means your siblings. Kedu ka ụmụnne gị mere? How are your siblings? Ha dị mma. You can also say ụmụnne m dị mma. Ụmụnne m dị mma. Or you can say ha dị mma. This is plural when it's more than one person. Ha dị mma. Ha na-abịa. They are coming. Ha na-eri nri. They are eating. Where are they? They are over there. Ha nọ ebe ahụ. Ha nọ ebe ni. Say that. So there are several ways to use ha. Okay, now, anyị means us. We, us, ours. It belongs to us. It is ours. Ọ bụ nke anyị. It is ours. Ọ bụ nke anyị. Who owns this thing? Who owns this house? It is our house. Ọ bụ ụlọ anyị. Whose friends is this? Ọ bụ enyi anyị. You see that? So, ọ bụ nke anyị. Anyị na-abịa. We are coming. Anyị na-eri nri. We are eating. Okay? So, you know the meaning of anyị. Now, uno is direct when you're talking to people. I'm talking to you all. I'm talking to you, the group of people. Group of two people and above. I am talking to you, two. Ana m agwa unu abụọ. I am talking to three of you. Ana m agwa unu atọ. I don't have to name numbers, but ana m agwa unu. I'm talking to you. When you're talking to a group of people, if you don't want to say you all. So I'm talking to you all. Ana m agwa unu niile. Unu niile. Can say you, unu. Can say unu niile. You all. Unu niile. Let me punctuate it. It should be punctuated. You saw a group of vowels. Depending on the sound, you know if you should be able to punctuate it or not. So, uno should be punctuated. Uno, nile. Uno, nile. Uno, nile. Uno, nile. Okay, it should be punctuated. You, uno. Onye nwere ajụjụ na pronouns before we do the quiz. Do you have any question? Do you have question about the pronouns? I just want you to know those key words. If you have a question now, ask me, please. Well, some people are just coming to class after 30 minutes past. Wow. Onwonye nwelu ajụjụ. Do you have any question about these pronouns? If not, we're going to start quiz Kahoot now. Unu niile. Unu niile. Everybody know them. Okay. So onwego onye nwere ajụjụ. Nobody has any question. Okay, guys. If you know you didn't understand anything, please go ahead and ask me a question now. I want to make sure you got it. If you did not understand, let me know now. Okay, let me stop sharing this page and I'm going to get to Kahoot right now. Everybody get ready. Let me get to Kahoot. Kahoot.it. Come on. I don't know why it's doing this. So let me pause the video a second while I get Kahoot. So I'm gonna pause the video. Everybody get ready. Nkechi, you were leading. And all of a sudden, Ilerebuka took over. Wow, you guys are awesome. So Ebuka is first. Nkechi is second. And who is this? Something is blocking it. And Emeka is third. And all these are siblings. You guys did very well. You guys did very well. Awesome. Now, one more chance. Let me see. You see, everything we went over came out. Everything I went over came out. So you need to pay attention. Let's see if you're going to be one of the first, second or third this time. So one more chance. Let's see if you're going to change things around. Let's see who's going to be first, second, or third. The first person this time is Ebuka, second Nkechi, and then Emeka. All right, we're going to do it again. We're going to do it again. You know what? Let's see. We're going to do group one this time. We're going to do a group one this time. Let's see. I know. Looking for my library. Play it again. I see. Okay. So if you know you didn't get to play with us before, please do that this time. If you didn't get to play with us before, you're going to join this time. So I'm going to create more teams. I want to have team mode. Boy. No, I'm going to create more teams. We're going to have 5 teams. 6 teams. Okay, you've reached the max. Got it. We have 5 teams. We have Team Zombie, Team Woodshop. We have Team Moose, Team Dragon, Team Cat. So 3 teams. Let's see. Come on, guys. You can see the pin 487-9846. 487-9846. 10 more seconds. Get in. I want everybody to get in the team. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did everybody get it? We're about to start. 5 more people need to get in. Okay. We're not going to wait for them forever. They don't want to get in. We're going to move forward. All right. See if you can help your team win. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. What is Igbo pronouns called? What is it called? It's called Nnochi Aha. Nnochi Aha. Nnochi Aha. Igbo pronouns. My or mine. Everybody's supposed to get this one. My or mine is me. I can't believe some people still miss it. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns supposed to be mine, mine, me, yours, your own, something that belongs to you. We, us, our, ours. It's supposed to be Anyi, Anyi. I keep telling you guys here now. So I'll be reviewing it as we go. There, them. What is there, them? The answer should be ha, ono, maọbụ ono niile, ono, maọbụ ono niile. The answer should be you or you all. I'll just let you guys answer it before I say the answer. There, them, theirs. Wow. It should be her, him, hers, its, his, hers. The answer is yeah. Let's see the scoreboard. Let me see who is leading. Team Moose. Team Moose is leading. Let's see if they're going to keep the lead. You, yours. You, yours. The answer is A, maọbụ A, maọbụ she, he, it. Everybody should get this one. The answer is Let's see the scoreboard. Team Moose is still leading. Can the other teams try to take over? See if you can overtake Team Moose. Me. What is me? In the pronouns, what did I say is me? Me is mo. Ikom. Ikom. What is ikom? Ikom. Ikom means my cup. My cup. Akwụkwọ m. Akwụkwọ m. Akwụkwọ m. Akwụkwọ m is my book. Oh, Team Moose is still leading. Wow, the other teams, you gotta do fast and take a lead. My house. My house. You know what it is. I believe I mentioned it when I was lecturing. I mentioned it. Olam. Olam is the answer. Ọ bụ nwanne m. Ọ bụ nwanne m. Ọ bụ nwanne m means she is my sibling. Oh, Team Moose is still leading. Team Zombie is coming. Siblings. 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 Answer is, I know this is a trick. Umunna. Umunna. Some of you got it though. Most of you got it. Nwannem nwoke. Nwannem nwoke. Nwannem nwoke. My brother. My brother. Team Moose is still leading. Team Zombie. Come on, let's see. Guys, you're gonna buckle up. Nwanye. 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 Nwanye means female. Female. Wow, Team Moose, they continue to lead. They are my siblings. They are my siblings. They are my siblings means habo. Umunnem. Habo. Umunnem. Team Moose kept the lead. Anyị bụ ụmụnne. Anyị bụ ụmụnne. Anyị bụ ụmụnne. Anyị bụ ụmụnne means we are siblings. We are siblings. Oh, guys, Team Zombie took a lead. Oh. Wow. Team Moose. I don't know what happened. You are coming tomorrow. What is you are coming tomorrow? You are coming tomorrow. You are coming tomorrow. You are coming tomorrow means, ị ga-abịa echi. Ị na-abịa echi. Ị ga-abịa echi is the answer. Let's see. Team Zombie is keeping the lead now. Awesome. The rest of the team, you need to wake up. Where is my bag? Where is my bag? Where is my bag? Answer. Ebe or kedu ebe akpa m nọ? Kedu ebe akpa m nọ? Team Zombie is still leading. Team Zombie is leading. Come on, guys, we have 7 more questions left. If you want to take a lead now, this is the chance, the time for you to do so. You and I are going somewhere. You and I are going somewhere means, remember I said the switches. Mụ na gị nwere ebe anyị na-aga. Let's see who got it. Oh, this zombie is still leading. Ọmụ. Ọmụ means it is me. Let's see who is leading now. Team Zombie, Team Moose, Team Dragon, Team Woodchuck, and Team Cat. Okay? Let's see. We have 5 more questions left. You get it right to take, you should get everything right to take a lead. Nyemuya. Nyemuya. Give it to me. Answer. Give it to me. Let's see who's leading. Team Zombie still leading. Wow. Wow. Kedu ebe afere ha nọ? Kedu ebe afere ha nọ? Kedu ebe afere ha nọ? Where is their plate? Is the answer. Who is leading now? Team Zombie kept the lead still. Are you all here? Are you all here? Are you all here? Are you all here means unu niile ọ nọ ebe a? Who's leading? Team Zombie. 2 more questions left. Norani. 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 Norani means sit down. Oh! Guys, Team Moose took a lead again. Oh, this Zombie, what happened? Oh my God, 2 more questions. So this question is supposed to be, where is he? I'm sorry. It's a typo. Where is he? This is quite a typo. Kadebe honor. Where is he? Supposed to be, where is he? Okay, so it's a typo. Oh no. Now the last question. Let's see. Hanabia. 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 The answer is they are coming. Let's see what happened here. The top position, Team Dragons. Team Dragon, the second position, Team Zombie. Whoa, kudos. So Team Moose. Guys, because can you call on Team Muzaka? Awesome, everybody. You all did very well. Team Moose, Team Zombie, and Team Dragon. All right, so we all did very well. Now, if you're not among these teams, I need you to please review your pronouns, okay? You need to know all this. You need to know it. You have to know them to be able to communicate, because very soon we're going to be speaking less English in this class. You need to be able to respond back to me. I omitted everybody. Okay. You all did well, but make sure you keep practicing. You still have your homework to do. I'm going to repost that homework. It is there, but I'll repost it. Go ahead and do that homework. Use your hand to write it, take a picture, and send it to the forum. I need to see what you did. Okay? If you have a question, send it to me.